Hello, fellow professionals. Today, we'll demonstrate and explain the stability assessment process using the Force Polygon Method in K-Mine. We will also show you how to generate a simplified report. The Calculate Pit Wall Stability task is used for ground control, including stability and rock deformation analyses during open pit mining operations. Methods for calculating bench slope stability based on the stability factor calculation are employed to perform geotechnical engineering tasks. The limit equilibrium theory is used to determine the sliding surface that appears in the rock mass. In this example, the retention and shear forces are adjusted using the Force Polygon Method. However, there are a total of 4 methods for this task, which we will show later. These methods assess slopes by calculating the wall stability factor in a variety of ways, using sliding wedges created in the graphic environment. The initial data for the calculation include 1. Physical, mechanical, and strength properties of rocks for an open pit or dump. 2. A digital model of the object under study. 3. The boundary of a calculation area. To determine the calculation area, I create 2 reference boundary polylines perpendicular to the crest and toe. The stability analysis is adjusted for the retention and shear forces, using vector addition in a homogeneous rock mass. This method offers a calculation scenario when sliding is partially on the weakening surface, such as the fault plane. This method also considers water level flooding. All we need to do to create the resulting wedge is to select one or several rows from the results table and click Create. Now it's time to display the result on the report page. K-Mine has a separate editor with numerous functions for this purpose. I'm going to upload a ready-made template. It takes no more than 5 minutes to make a template like this according to your corporate format. You can then use the template for your reports, share it with your colleagues, etc. All we have to do is insert the relevant graphic fragments and fill in some fields in the table. After that, let's save the current report, for example, as a PDF file, and print it out.